I will show you how to add background music to Canva presentation. So, open your Canva. Add the video you want to edit. After editing some videos, surely you will add audio to your video. Open Google Chrome and type royalty-free music. Search for the music you want. Click Download. Save the music file you downloaded. Then upload the music you have downloaded. After uploading, drag the music file to your video. You can see the preview by pressing this. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button.